Do you want to securely and quickly change or update your login email address linked to your X Twitter account? Alright, so for that, just launch the app. From the menu, go to Settings and Privacy. From there, go to Your Account, to Account Info. Now, as you can see, your current email with all the other information will show up in this section. Just tap on the email address. Now, you might need to verify yourself at this point. Alright, so after that, under the Change Email Address section, carefully write down the exact email that you want to switch to. Just make sure it's not currently linked with any X account. And along with that, if you want, you can toggle this button so people can find you using your email address. Totally your call. And then just hit Next. Now, make sure you got access to that new email and it's within your range, because the verification code will be sent to there. Grab that code, put it down right in here, and then just tap on Verify. And that's it. Your email address will instantly be updated. Thanks for your time.